Kitty cat, you can just wait at the living room. I'm going shopping. Okay, I knew you will do it. Since she's not here, let's go to the park to meet my friends. I'll even bring my mouse. Bring my mouse. Okay, I'm here. Hope no one finds me. Oh, hi guys. Hi Jeffy. Hi Elena. We are just enjoying some ice cream. Here you go. It's so yummy. It even has fish bits on it. Yeah, and this one is mine. Well, how was your day, Jeffy? Yeah, but my owner Hanzomon is really strict to me. Well, my mom said an owner being strict to you, she just wants to make you into a better cat. Yeah, she always wants the best for you. You're right, you're right. What a day. I just got some toys just for Jeffy and other pets. Jeffy, I got you. Jeffy? Jeffy, where are you? Jeffy? Jeffy? Is it in the bathroom? No. Jeffy, where are you? Is she gone again? No, not in that bed. Not in this bed either. Not in the greenhouse. Not even in the backyard. Maybe he's outside. Is anyone home? Huh? Mommy, someone's at the door. Okay, I'll go get it. Coming. Oh. Hello, have you seen my cat? It's lost. No, we didn't see your cat. Sorry. Oh, man. Someone's at the door. Go get it, honey. Fine. Last time you got it. Oh, hello. Hello, have you seen my cat? No, sorry. But thank you for asking me. Sorry. Oh, what should I do? What should I do? Guys, I can't ever find my cat. I looked at the farm, I looked at the school, I searched all over my old street, OK Street. I don't think I'll ever see my cat again. It's just over there. Oh, thank you. I also looked all over Bob City. Jeffy? Get out of there now. You just went out of the house without permission. Oh, I'm sorry. No, this isn't the first time anymore. I'm sending you to Pet Hotel right now. Haha. Somebody's in big trouble. Told you. Yeah, she's right. I know they're your buddies, but can you just ask me first? Gosh, you're so annoying. Got to get a hairbrush. Thank you. Next, please. Hello. Can I have a stay in the pet hotel for a week? A week? I mean my pet. My pet cat. He needs to stay in here for a week because he did something outrageous. He just ran out of the house without permission, and I can't find her anywhere. I looked all over my old city, OK Street, and the farm. Oh, don't worry. I can find a perfect key for your pet. Here you go. No, here you go. No. Okay, your room is the blue key. Thank you. All right, Jeffy, you are staying in this room for a week. I won't give you any food or any drinks forever. What? That's torture. Just kidding. Here's the key. Goodbye. Oh gosh, you are so annoying.